there, this is Andrea Kiser. We are here at Steelgrass Chocolate Farm, also known as Lydgate Farm. We grow chocolate trees here. We've got about 1,200 fruiting trees so far, and this is what they look like. This is how chocolate starts. So what I'm going to do is take this cacao pod off of the tree, and we're going to open it up, and we're all going to try a little bit of some fresh chocolate fruit. Okay. Usually have some clippers. That'll be all right. All right. So, machete, everybody. Here we go. This, everybody, is chocolate. Chocolate delicious. So this is the fruit of chocolate. There's a very sweet pulp on the outside of these beans here. Tastes like mango. It does not taste like chocolate. It tastes like mango.
And then what happens once you take the beans out?
It's purple on the inside. It's where all the health benefits are. We're going to take these beans. We are going to ferment those beans. Then we're going to dry those beans, and then we're going to roast those beans. We're going to crush them up, grind them up, add some sugar, and that is chocolate.